All right, so today I'm going to show you this device. Now, this is a humidifier. Now, compared to the competition, check this out. The mist can go all the way from 6 feet to 16.5 feet away. That will be 1.8 meters to 5 meters. So we can change that. It can do a whole entire room, 15 square meters or 161 square meters. Now we can bring up the humidity of the room in 5 minutes from 30% all the way to 60%. Just takes only 5 minutes. Noise, super quiet, about 45 dB. It can send 20 to 375 milliliters per hour. I'm going to show you right now how the whole thing works. How we doing, everyone? My name is Dario from mediaboxentlab.com. And yes, I'm going to show you how the whole device works, how easy it is to fill up with water. It's super portable. It uses 100 volts or 240, but with the power supply, so 30 volt. That makes the unit safe, right? In case they drop into the side, let's say they start leaking, and then you have the AC power next to the unit. We don't want that. So they have the safety. And have the power supply, and then you only use 30 volts. The safety on the voltage for the humans, so at 36 volts an amp, that will be unsafe. So this one will look in only 30 volts, and the main power supply is far from the unit. Now, when you fill it up with water, once again, it can go up to 375 milliliters an hour. But technically, it will be enough to use up to 8 hours. And normally, it's a time when you go to bed, you turn it on, so you have 8 hours. Now, very important about this too. If it's any left water, you should always empty it out, right? And put new water. So always you should clean it. But let me show you how the whole thing works. Now, let's take a look at the unit. So we get the unit, the remote control, and the power supply. It's 100 volts, 240, so you can use this anywhere in the world, and only 30 volts. That's important, right? For safety. So you have this plug into the outlet, right? And it's far away, just in case, right? Plus you have this in the room. Maybe there is kids around, right? So, and this is the power unit, and I show you this. So now this is the unit. Now, very important, there is no blade. It's like a turbo. I'll show you how that works. This is the tank right over here. A real nice unit. And if we look at right in the front, right, allow you to send the mist left or right and up and down. So you can put this on the floor and bring this up, and then the mist goes up. Now, how we take this apart? Here on the side, see, we have the lock and unlock, right? To take what they call the turbo mode here. And the only thing we have to do, pull this up, and that's it. So you see here, they show you there with the arrow. Automatic gets disconnected here. It's like a magnetic. And this is the turbo. All right, so now how we take the tank? If we want to take the tank, it's pretty simple. We see here, lock and unlock. So hold one of this and push with your finger this way. Hold the unit. That's it. We open right over here. Now this, if you want to put some scents, if you want to put oil or any scents, you're going to put in this little container. All right, so you're gonna put it here. We close that out. Now, pretty simple. We fill it up the water, bring it around the kitchen, and fill it up right there. Or we can do it right over here. So we're gonna put this back. So we're looking right in the side, right there. So now we're gonna go the other way around. We're gonna hold it this way, and we're gonna lock it. So we go this way, and the unit's locked. Right, so we say it's locked. Let's put some water here. Now remember, when it's full, it will last about 8 hours. It's normally what people turn it on at night when you sleep. So, and normal sleep time is about 8 hours. We got there, pull it up with water, close this down. All right, now we're gonna put the main unit, the brain, Simple. We bring this down and lock. And automatic, click it right there. All right. Now, in case you drop this, no water will drop this way. But if you bring it forward, yes. If you bring it forward, it will drip the water that is on the container, on the bottom of the container. All right. We take this out. And in case this will not drip at all. All right. It's just the water that stay here if I drip the other way around. So remember, only drip if you do it this way. All right, so we have the unit already plugged in. So we use the nice remote control, wire remote control. So there's two gauges here. So one, it will control the mist, and the other one will control the turbo of the air. All right, so I'm gonna turn it on now. All right, and you will see the mist coming up from here. All right, check that out. So now, see, we can bring this left or right, up or down. Let me speed it up the process here. I don't know if you guys can see there. Let me put the camera so you guys can see right there. Gonna slow down. So that's super quiet there. If we can control the amount of mist, right? You see that right there? We're looking at 16 feet away. This will reach. That's why you can do a run in about 5 minutes, 161 square footage. Then I think you can put it around the floor, pull this up. That's it. Now we want to go faster, we can speed it up. So this is the pretty quiet here. And if we want to show the, we can see there. But we can go super high. And let me speed it up the fan. You can use this as a fan alone. All right. If you want it for kilometers, miles an hour. 16.21 miles an hour. That's fast. But that's if you want to go all the way. So, but let's bring this down. So on the quiet level, right? And then from here again, we can adjust the mist after you said just with the way you saw it before. It's a great unit. Again, easy to carry because you can grab it from here. Remember, in less about 8 hours. And easy to control with this wire remote control. And the nice thing too is even when you turn it off, it still works for another 2 to 3 minutes to make sure, right, there is no water there. And one thing they recommend is even if you not use the whole water, only use half, you should always change your water up every day. All right, guys, that's it. I'll see you next time. Bye.